Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on nodes. And this video would be about how to make your nodes larger, more visible. You can see they're just little blue squares until you highlight on them. Sometimes they're hard to see. When you highlight them, they become bigger. But you can, and I actually thought this was just true in Corel's new X or 2017, and it is neat, and you can change colors. But if you go to Tools and Customize and go under Workspace and go to Edit, you can change your node size from small to large, and then just hit OK. Now, when you get your Shape tool, I don't know if you can see that on the monitor or your screen, but they've gotten quite a bit bigger. And then if we select them, they get quite a bit bigger. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.